What's up, Bladers? We're back with another Beyblade X Dragon King challenge. This challenge took place during the Professional Beyblade Battle League one-day tournament. This time, the challenger is no stranger to the Dragon King. They're teammates on the previous season of the Professional Beyblade Battle League. He's the team strategist and he's known to create unorthodox and effective Beyblade combos. He's the Wise Man Ollie. Will he beat the Dragon King in this challenge, or will the Dragon King get a consecutive win? Stick around to find out. Here are the rules and regulations of the Dragon King challenge.
Pick muna tayo.
Pick tayo.
Okay na.
Okay na.
Game, first bay, show bay. Ginamit na agad. Okay na. Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go. First, legit naman. 2-0, second bay, show bay.
Spicy.
Okay, ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ano?
2-all. Umabot din ang third bay. Ano siya? Ball?
Ball.
Two out of 3 naman din ko eh. Kasi bilis pag isa lang. Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Ang bench ko naman. 3, 2. Kapo. Okay na. 3-2 favor Ollie. Okay. Ladies ready. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ay, ba't yun?
Ano yun na shotgun?
Hindi na po pala nagamit sa akin.
Hindi. Iniba ko eh. Pick ulit tayo.
Pick. Dan ako.
Hindi, ikot na lang natin ito.
Sige, ikot mo na lang. Isa na siya ako pinili, medyo mahal. Huwag ka munang bumili, Andy. Hintay mo na lang dito. Baka masunod. Ano yun? Alam mo, sa ano pa yun, matagal pa. Okay?
Ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Bali.
Second bay, so bay. Nakarangan.
Palit. Ipapabe.
Okay. Okay, ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Lumipad siya ba? 3 large?
Ay, anong apa?
Wait lang, pugot ako dun.
Aabot ka ba?
3 lunch. Okay, ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Stamina gaming. Low flat na.
Ito, flat rush.
Para siya sa'yo. 3-0. Third bay, show bay. Okay. Ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Nag-bounce. 1-1 na tayo sa set.
Bounce.
Shuffle tayo. Ay, ano pala? Fake muna. Low. Akin na to. Okay na ako. Challenge ka rin. Kung may deck ka rin.
Game.
Okay.
Yung
Okay. Ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Ano na? 1-0. Last ano na pala to, no? Set. Patay. Nagpalit ka? Rush nga pala. Hindi, nasa isip ko. Okay. Ladies ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Tapos na yan, no?
And that's game. The standing is 2-1. The Wise Man defeats the Dragon King and takes home the championship belt. Grats.
Winner! Okay.
So, you want to challenge me for an exhibition match? Do you want to win the championship belt? Just comment down below so we can set something up. That's it for today's challenge. Thanks again to the Wise Man, and I'll see you guys on the next video.